Hi guys, this is Steven Bauer here. This is monthly smoke detector test 1. I'm going to start testing my home smoke detectors the first Monday of each month during New Year's Day. And I'll be testing it every month. The first Monday of the month actually, so this will be the day, and after that I'll do it this day, the 5th, and then the Monday again. And the Monday, I'll be doing that every month. Then, so yeah. So first of all, I tested my smoke detector back in September, my home ones, but that wasn't a monthly test. I just tested because I felt like it. I'm just gonna start doing monthly tests. So, you know what? Let's start with the one. First, let me make sure there's nobody. Make sure there's no neighbors around, even though they don't mind my other smoke alarm, fire alarm tests I do. So, let's start with this one. Here we go. Kitty. Fire. Tell you what, we'll shut the light off.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
You can actually see the light flickering. Okay, that's done. Now we gotta do this one, which is another kitty, which this is a big tablet, so. Ooh, loud! And the famous kitty carbon monoxide detector, here we go. And it's still doing that. Okay, also please note, this thing also has a battery in it too, so if the power goes out, it runs off battery backup. And this thing, if you unplug this thing will beep continuously, because it's a child-proof thing. And will it beep if the power goes out? No, it'll just be on battery backup. It'll only beep if there's CO2 or if you test it if the power's out, but other than that, it actually, I'll demonstrate that feature too. Let me do something crazy. I'm going to shut the power off to the entire house, and we'll demonstrate that feature to you. So, yeah, let's do that. This might be a weird thing I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to shut the power off to this entire house. So, are you ready? You know what? Should I even shut the power off to the entire house? Because it's going to screw my router up. It's going to screw the clock up. My cable box will go on for an hour. You know what? Let's not do that. But all I can tell you is when the power does go out, there will be a green light flickering every 10 seconds and it'll work. Sorry about that. I just don't want to shut power off to the entire house. Actually, I have an idea. This plug actually works off the switch. Let's do it that way. Yeah, forgot about that switch. That plug works with the switch. Yeah, let's do it like that. It's gonna beep though when you unplug it, but let's do it. See, it's beeping because of the child-proof thing that's connected to it, so and it's really loud alarm. I mean, it's really loud. Whew. My ears are ringing. Let's wait for the green light to turn solid. Anytime now. There. As you can see, it's solid. Shut the switch off. Oh, first I was gonna say, see? Let's test it. Okay, let's go turn the switch back on. Now we'll go upstairs and plug it back into its spot. Let's wait for the light to turn itself on. Come. There we go. Okay. Let's go plug it back in upstairs. Ooh, it's loud. Holy shit. Let me set this one off one more time so I can...
Fire. Warning.
Oh my
Carbon
god, this thing's
monoxide.
loud. Okay, man, I got that thing. Woo! Okay, let's wait for the light to come back on. My god. Alright. I'm gonna wrap this up. You know, my ears are just raining out from that. But Happy New Year's, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna put on the calendar. Since we did the test. Done. Yep. My god, that's loud. Alright, that's it. Bye-bye.